Martin Ford vows to prolong punishment of Iranian Hulk in grudge fight. Okay, all right.
What?
You must have read this one. You can't bring this up without reading it.
These two, I guess, athletes, they're really big guys, and they have beef. That's really what it is.
You talk about big guys with beef?
Yeah.
Easy.
More specifically, I was looking at this guy named Iranian Hulk. Have you ever seen him before?
Never heard of him. No, I don't think so. Maybe if you show me.
Okay, so, oh man. This is who he is.
Wow.
Iranian Hulk. This guy looks like the Hulk.
So modified.
And it's real. No, it's not fake. If you look at, if you look him up.
Different guys?
Yeah, so that's Martin Ford. And then this is the Iranian Hulk.
Give us a next on this slideshow here.
I think it's a next story.
Oh, never mind. Don't do that. I thought we were going to have more photos.
Yeah, if anyone wants to search his name, it's Iranian Hulk.
Yeah, well, I guess we can search it too.
Yeah.
We can just show them right now. So...
So they're going to have like a grudge match. I believe it's MMA.
What is this?
And it looks unreal.
It
right?
does. It looks totally unreal.
This guy looks like a triangle.
I've never heard of this guy.
He seems a little top heavy.
Okay, so when you say a grudge match, does that mean they've already fought?
No.
Oh.
They just don't like each other.
Okay.
And they wanted to, fight in the ring. Like gentlemen.
What do you think his weight is, this guy right here?
It seems like his shoulders are
I mean, I don't know how tall he is, but...
Who is he fighting again? Who's the other dude?
Marty Ford?
He
looks a lot more defined.
Martin Ford.
He's described as the world's scariest man on that article that Will was previously on. The other guy.
Martin Ford.
So what will they do? Like a bare knuckle boxing? Is that what the fight would be, or would it be MMA?
I think in that previous article it was MMA, but I would watch it. Would you?
It's kind of it reminds me sort of old school MMA, where you would have those unexpected matchups. It would be when it was open. There weren't even weight classes, because I just believe this guy got to be much heavier.
Like Hoist Gracie.
I realize they're both big, but this guy looks...
This guy looks unreal.
Over 300 pounds? I'm just guessing. I don't know. He looks over 300 pounds to me.
Like,
it's such a bizarre story.
Just so strange.
Oh, what's
and
your
then that's
bet,
the
Will?
other guy.
No, that's not
that's not the other. I'm sorry, this guy.
Yeah.
Which looks like a regular
he looks pretty normal comparatively.
He does look
scary, but I don't know, man. Everybody's... I don't know enough about it. Like,
well, I don't know about
Whoa. No, see, a lot of these photos I feel like are modded. That's the problem. It's like we can say it's real, but where's this? Like, I don't know.
Hold on.
Yeah, look at that picture down there.
Let me, maybe on YouTube.
What are you looking for? Video?
Around, like, video. Oh, he's driving a car.
Is that a cast iron pan he's knocking on?
Yeah, but you can't see much of him there. He's wearing a...
He is big, though.
He's definitely big. I don't know that there's any video of his full body.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, fake. Is that what they're saying?
Real?
Iranian Hulk
Oh, no. The other guy's still scary.
Oh, jeez. Iranian
we'll
Hulk
find out.
exposed.
What a weird...
Oh, there you go. Yeah, look, even the photo over there with the red
that's
showing his actual,
Well, yeah, he's just a little chubbier.
Oh, yeah, that's not even really that good of a Photoshop. I'm just too far away from the thing.
He is rotund.
I know, but that's not his claim to fame. It's, it's
just the irregular.
Yeah, it's the Hulk.
Shape.
It's the Hulk shape.
Yeah.
So he just pinches the waist in Photoshop. and he's all set. Yeah. Okay.
But still a very strange looking man.
Yeah. Well, if they do fight, I mean, it'll obviously come out.
Yeah.